I hope you guys are as excited as I am for this freaking video. We have a box right here from T-Bolt USA for the TRX 90 to hopefully get this thing absolutely ripping to send some freaking booters. I've been complaining about power for as long as I can remember. So in this package right here, we have hopefully a direct bolt-in solution. If not, we'll have to do some slight modifications, which are very possible. But I'm hoping it just bolts right up. That would be awesome. Enough bullshit, let's get this box open. We got our Piranha 140 right here. It is an E-start. On these motors, the E-start's on the bottom. So it's located right here. Makes it really easy to run these engines in these bikes with electric start. And semi-auto 140, which means we still will not have any clutch, which is what we want. Something that's gonna kinda hopefully bolt in and then no clutch. Got some great news. So we did not have to cut the frame to get this 140 E-start in. We had to do, Gavin went ahead and egged out the holes with a, I don't know where it's at, but just like a little bit that like eggs out shit. Egged out the holes, bolts go right in, egged out this hole, egged out the hole in the bottom, the factory rear brake. This is off of the older body style, so it's off of this bike, the Sportrax 90. Bolted straight on, so now we got rear brakes still, which is awesome. It's actually kind of in a better location. It's like right in front. Ready to fucking see what this thing can do compared to our 90s.
Mine will probably be faster.
Totally.
Ready? Yep. Hold that for a second.
She lives! No way. This is just break-in period. Can't rev her out yet.
Like shifts a little harder.
Yeah.
You have to like click harder.
Too fast?
for stock exhaust.
Yeah. The engine. I think I just broke it. I think I just broke the transmission.
Your chain came off.
Oh. It said click on.
Oh shit.
Did it really?
Yeah, it came off on the rear.
Yeah, I'm done.
Thoughts on it? First thoughts, first impression.
It's fast, but we gotta re-gear this thing. We're not done in this video. We're re-gearing this before the end of this video. Boys, we are in North Carolina right now. It's pretty nice out here. I could live here. Look at the weather. Where I live, dude, it's downpouring. Washington sucks, boys, I'm telling you. As soon as we get some cash flow from these videos, we bouncing. Look at all this. This unit's full to the brim, boys. Full to the brim. Holy smokes. Are you ready, dude?
Get the heck out of here.
Bro almost said. Check it out, boys. All the damage from the hurricane. Dude, holy shit. It's like they're just doing construction work. We're over here thinking that it's like fucking the hurricane. We're gonna go check it out real quick. Fuck, dude. This shit is bad.
Shit's fucked up, dude.
Holy fuck, look at that
There's
house.
still water.
Dude, look at that fucking house.
Dude, done.
Holy shit, boys. Damn, everything's all boarded up. Wow, the inside of these places are destroyed. They're completely emptied. That's insane. Back on the freeway.
Plus 650 on DraftKings. This fight is projected not to go the distance at minus 180. But if you think we get a full 8 rounds, $100 bet on yes to go the distance at
Yo, give us a taste test on the spicy ketchup. Crack that open, boy.
I don't even like ketchup in general.
Well, you'll like this ketchup.
Not a big ketchup guy. Not bad, it's a little vinegary.
What?
It was the only thing I would use it.
Where's your shake?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
I'm gonna have to go up there and yell at some people now. Dang. I thought Whataburger would be more on top of it. This place sucks ass, bro. 1 star. Actually, half star.
Let's see how many booms, Addy. How many booms? Are you gonna boom it or are you gonna doom it?
Smell toast.
Captain Big Bites.
Pretty mediocre.
Wow. What the fuck?
This is actually pretty good.
Addy just waxed 3,000 calories.
Nah, bro, I didn't even eat half that shit. That shit's gross.
What? This
Whataburger
motherfucker.
is not a recommend, bro.
This guy's capping. This guy's capping. He just don't want to be.
The burger was cold, bro.
Maybe the fries, not the burger.
All of it.
Yeah, okay.
The buns were stale.
This motherfucker's tripping.
I swear I seen some mold on yours.
What? It's called guacamole. They forget to put tomatoes on your shit.
And they put tomatoes on there when I told them I didn't want it.
You
What
did.
if I was allergic? Sued.
Yeah, Addy just waxed 3,000
No, I
calories.
didn't.
I'm at 2,500.
I did not wax 3,000 calories. It was 2,900.
We didn't add the dipping sauces.
I didn't use them all. I probably used like
You poured that whole thing of ranch on your burger. Best fucking fast food joint around. I love you, Whataburger. Sponsor me. Pieces of You cold? What? What?
I got a piss, but it's cold.
Go in the porta potty. Oh, he's done for. It is colder than fuck, dude. Look at this. 21 degrees. Oh, hell no! Roll up the window, kid. Oh my god. So fucking cold, dude. And this dude's got no heat. He won't let the heat be on. Because for some reason, if the heat's on, this dude just fucking falls asleep.
Holy shit. Bro, it's fucking cold out there, bro.
Yo, it's 21 degrees on another level.
Bro, when I first stepped out to get the gas, my hip about gave out. It was bad. Like, I felt it pop, but I was like,
Should immediately froze.
Exactly. Seized. Gained rust in 5 seconds out there. Bro,
Yeah, for real.
get out of here.
Get back to freezing our asses off. Let's go. Our key setup is still suboptimal. We just have it under the seat for now. Until we figure out what we're going to do with that. I always forget which way is on and off. Down is on, up is off. Down is on, up is off. I don't know. I always forget. We're getting ready to take this thing over to our buddy's house who has the motocross track. And we're gonna rip this thing.
Got your ass.